guys, this is Daredevil Returns, and today we're going to be doing a video which we haven't done for about 9 months. But this one's going to be a bit unusual. And Andrew, what year are you in now?
Year 5.
He's in year 5, I'm in year 7. And I'm going to do some hesky shit. Yeah. Alright. Hold that. Oh yeah, I've got an iPhone now, so the quality's a bit better. Right, don't flip that round, otherwise I can't be able to see. Stay here.
More the back.
Wait, just watch the cars for a minute.
There's the BMW.
Andrew. Guys, it'll be 2 minutes.
Be 2 minutes. Yeah, it'll be 2 minutes. If you want to see them guys over there, they're freaks. What? What? I'm filming ya. I'm filming ya. Everyone's doing some horny shit. Tell them when to pause it.
You paused?
No.
What?
You filming me now?
Yeah. Oh. This is our transport.
Woohoo!
It's like a
Whoa!
BMX for like 3 people.
Fucking shit, hell. That's sick. Look at that.
Fucking hell.
Come on then, let's go.
Right. Whoa! Fucking hell. Right there, I'm going to try and balance it. But no, I'm not. Right, let me have one more go.
Hello.
I don't know if you want to go.
Police are over there. It's Jim. The cars are... But Jamie's coming. Yes. It's there. He's coming. Watch him. Right there, there's making this one up there. He's coming. How do you feel?
Then I'll go or what?
What?
You haven't
Yeah. Should we do a part 2?
Don't know.
Yeah. Might do.
Oh. You might have heard Andrew just saying we might be doing a part 2 because this is really fun. And I just thought I might video getting up a tree. I think the tree that I'm getting up is lethal. Look at that. Shit! taxi. Fucking hell. Well, it's called the Daredevil Tunnels. There you are.
Whoa!
Heskey. Right, I think that's the end of part 1 or maybe part 0. No, maybe that's the end or maybe that's the end of part 1. You'll see by the end of the video. In fact, should we do a part 2?
Yeah.
That's the end of part 1. Peace.
Sorry.